Maria, and I'm out here with my husband Steve, and we are the owners of Parallel 44 Vineyard and Winery. We are so excited to have you join us right now because it is the perfect time. It's harvest time. So why don't we head out to the vineyard and see what's going on. Hi Steve, what are you up to?
Welcome everybody. Yeah, this is the time of year, it's the culmination of the season where we'll be harvesting the grapes. I just kind of wanted to briefly show you what's involved in figuring out when it's time to pick these grapes and the process of picking these grapes. It's what we hope for all year to get to this particular stage. So the first thing that we usually do is test what's called the Brix, or the sugar in a grape. Brix is a French term for percent sugar. So we will go up and typically we randomly pick different berries selected across different clusters throughout the vineyard, and we merely press the grape to release the juice onto this glass plate. This refractometer has a scale in it, and when I look towards the sky, it has a scale which shows me the percent sugar. Unfortunately, our technology won't allow us to show it, but it's about 21 Brix, which is 21% sugar. That is kind of the goal that we're trying to achieve. So these are merely a day or two away from being harvested. And the process of picking grapes is really quite simple. We use a tool called a grape fork, and you work as a team, one on each side of the row, and you just basically take the grape fork, push it over the stem, disconnect it from the shoot of the vine, and they're dropped in lugs along the rows that are lined up before the harvesters get here. And a team of two will pick about 1,000 pounds over the course of 5 hours. So half a ton of grapes can be picked that quickly. It still takes a lot of time. This particular vineyard here, we're going to have a harvest of over 30 tons. But with our other vineyard and the other growers that we have all across the state of Wisconsin, we'll be processing over the next 4 to 5 weeks 150 tons of grapes. So that's quite significant for a small wine area like Wisconsin. But something that we're going to talk about more is how we take great pride in the fact that every wine you're going to be tasting today comes from either our vineyard or some other vineyard in the state of Wisconsin. So you're really going to be tasting grapes or tasting wines from ground to glass. And so I just wanted to briefly show you over here some of the grapes that we just literally picked minutes ago. This is the Crescent. This is one of the wines that you'll be tasting. This is a varietal that has won awards, not just from our vineyard, but many other vineyards from the upper Midwest. It is a very crisp, semi-sweet, extremely aromatic white wine that's winning awards and outbeating basically whites from Spain, Italy, and France. So I'm looking forward to having you guys taste these wines. And along the way here, we're going to go from talking about how we take these grapes and make wonderful juice. We'll talk about how we turn this into wine. So look forward to seeing you guys inside in just a minute. Thank you.